What is poppin', Snake Gang? I hope, first of all, you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are trading successfully as always. Man, you know, me and my team, we always eat. I don't even gotta say that shit. You know, make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I'll put it right here. Follow my Instagram. It's very important you follow my Instagram. I just had a giveaway on my Instagram. I don't think the giveaway is not over by the time you're seeing this. So if you go follow my Instagram right now, you can get in that giveaway. There's always giveaways anyways. You'll find other ones. So just follow the Instagram. It's right here. Join the free Telegram. It's down below in the website link. You guys will get all the free pips. It's 100% free. Yes, VIP is an option, but the free one is right below. You don't gotta pay $1. Just join it. You'll get the signals. You'll get everything for free. So why not join it? I know a lot of you guys have smaller accounts, so I pretty much just want to kind of make a little video, a little tutorial on how I trade when I have very small accounts, how I'm growing them. And it's all based off the 15-minute and the 5-minute charts with, you know, the bigger charts and confluence, and you'll see it in the video. But I really want to help you guys out with that because I know a lot of you guys have smaller accounts, and you know, why not help you guys out? I mean, I've already done everything I need to do when it comes to trading. I might as well start helping people out. So I'm gonna help you guys out today. With all that being said, there's a little delay on the vlog. Episode 2 of the trading $100 to 10K account. It's been delayed. We're moving. It's really messy in here. We're moving to a nice ass place, so getting out of here, getting out of this dump. Don't even know why we even came here. It's $2,000 a month for this thing. It's ridiculous anyways. I'd rather pay like 4 or 5 grand a month and go somewhere beautiful. So with all that being said, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in this video. Alright guys, so I'm here on the charts. Really quick, I'm going to show you a pretty beautiful example actually of what I'm talking about. And basically what you're going to do is, it's very simple. You're going to look for some type of support or resistance on the daily or the 4-hour chart to start. Okay, that's how you're going to start. This is not how you're going to get your entries or your trades. This is how you're going to start. The reason we're going to look on the 4 hours because they're very powerful. When we're looking at the 4-hour, if we can see a beautiful support get respected, then we can pretty much assume that we're going to be looking for buys. We're going to be looking for straight buy opportunities because that support was highly respected on a bigger time frame. Now we're going to go into smaller time frames and look for beautiful entries, and I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. Okay, so check this out. Okay, we're looking at GBP odd right now on the 4-hour. I'm going to take my little rectangle tool so I can show you guys some support / resistance. So if you look right here, we have a beautiful support line right in this area, but if we drag this all the way through, that support has now became a resistance. Beautiful thing the markets do, just beautiful. If you don't know that by now, now you know. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Ceilings, floors is pretty much how you could look at it. As you guys can see in the beginning stages, it was a floor, now it's a ceiling, okay? So, let's say this was the live market, right? You just saw this reject this resistance and you see it's on its way down. So now, obviously, you're not going to enter off of this because that's too big. If you have a small account, you can't make trades off the 4-hour. So what we're going to do is, now that we have that confirmation that price is going down, we have that confirmation price is going to go down. Check this out, okay? Now we're going to go over to the 5-minute charts and the 15-minute charts. And this is where we're going to find our entry, okay? As you can see, this is where price was rejecting. Right here, right? This is where price rejected that resistance and started to come down. So how are we going to get our entry? Let's switch this to the 15. Ooh, not the 30, the 15. We'll go to the 15 for look for a clean entry, right? So check this out. This is where price started to reject, so you already know that this price is going down. So now what do we see? What do we see that's going to tell us to get in here? Well, check this out. If we take our Fibonacci, which is, I love the Fibonacci, it's like all I use, and we take it from this point right here. Why would we take it from this point and not this point? This point is where we have a real good market structure break right here. All this red right here is a powerful move down that we can kind of predict that if this comes back up to retrace, it's going to continue to the downside. So this is why I'm drawing it from here and not up here. You draw it from where that main push was, like that impulse push, right? And this is where market structure was broke. It broke all these lows right here, and it just broke below them. So we're going to draw our Fibonacci from the top of this wick to the bottom where it kind of stopped. So a lot of people ask, okay, so you know, you're showing me something that already happened, but how would I do this live? Well, this is how you would do it live. You would pretty much wait for this push. You'd see this green candle right here come back up for retracement, and as that closed, okay, then you can draw your Fibonacci from here to here and wait for this next candle or this next candle to see the rejections in your zone. It's that simple. It's really not hard, guys. So just, it's the same thing live as it is on here. I mean, you're looking for that rejection. But what do I see? What do I see other than just these rejections to the 0.5 and the 618 zone, which are the gold zone? It's the best zone ever. what do I see? Well, check this out. Take your little square tool and look at this. Boom. More resistance on that former support. As you can see, even more reasons to sell. But not only that, what else do I see? Boom. Double tops being made, huge rejections. Whenever the market makes M's or W's, it's a beautiful thing. They're called double tops, they're called double bottoms. Beautiful confirmations. I'm in. Once I see that double top being made, I'm definitely in. So I'm gonna get in right on that wick, okay? And for your stop loss, you're just gonna, ooh, never lets me do this. Right above that final wick, or not that final wick, the biggest wick it pretty much made, because it shouldn't wick above that again. It can, if you want to raise your stop losses, you easily can, but I like to put them right above, you know, pretty much that last big wick that it made, because I don't believe it's going to wick there again, okay? Now, how are we going to find our take profit? Well, that's simple. We're going to look for a major support. Now that we're looking for a sell, we're going to look for a major support. So as you can see in this area over here, we have major support. So we're just going to draw, we're just going to take our take profit to that zone. Now look at the setup we have. All of those confirmations after looking on a bigger time frame and then looking for an entry on a smaller time frame, for one, I can't even believe I'm giving you this info for free. It's kind of crazy. I guess I'm not nice of a person, but just look at the beautiful entry, and you can catch these all day, guys. You really can, especially if you use that higher time frame to your advantage. But as you can see, price did come down to that support line. What do I mean by that support line? As you can see right here, we have major support. So boom. Take profit, smashed for what, 100 pips? Your stop loss was 17 pips. You're looking at almost a 1 to 6 ratio. So you could eat one loss, or I'm sorry, one gain on something like this with a small account. You can then have 5 to 6 losses and break even. Like that's how insane that is. With all that being said, I don't feel like I really need to show you more examples. If you guys do want more examples, let me know in the comments. I will go and make a part 2 to this video with just back testing, maybe even live trades, show you guys everything. Whatever you guys want to see, I got you. You guys always ask for something, I always give it to you. Always. You guys asked for the Fibonacci video, I did it. You guys asked for small account growth videos, I did it. You asked for the $100 of 10K challenge, I did it. So just go down below and ask. Don't be afraid to ask. If I like what you're saying, then I might do it right away. Who knows? With all that being said, I do love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very, very informational. I know it's an ugly setup. I know it's hard to see. But if you train yourself to see these type of things, you're going to be making money, catching pips all day long. Guarantee it. Just train yourself. Back test. Really practice this and demo trade it live for a few months. Whatever you got to do. It takes time. But when you really get it down, you really get it down. So with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video.